Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and now let's begin. Xiaomi is on a roll this year, and despite the pandemic, it is continuing to launch a bunch of new and interesting smartphones. Now the company will launch another mid-range phone with interesting selection of specs and will be called Redmi 10X 5G. Actually, it's said to have 3 devices in Redmi 10X series, the Redmi 10X 4G, Redmi 10X 5G and 10X Pro 5G. But in this video we are gonna go through only Redmi 10X 5G. One of the first thing we came to know through teasers is the launch date, which is scheduled for May 26th in China. It is also confirmed to launch as the first smartphone powered by the Dimensity 820 5G chipset, which will enable close to flagship performance. There's also AMOLED display, quad camera setup and few more stuff. So without keeping you waiting anymore, let's begin. According to leaks, the screen is 6.57-inch Samsung AMOLED water drop notch display with 1080x2400 pixels Full HD Plus resolution. This display will support always-on display functionality and in-display fingerprint scanner, but don't expect high refresh rate because this is AMOLED and we don't get AMOLED plus high refresh rate in mid-range category. The always-on display feature that I mentioned seems to be highly customizable with text, patterns and even images besides the clock and notifications. Also, the Redmi 10X will feature MIUI 12's super wallpapers. Coming to another interesting aspect of this phone, the processor. This time, Xiaomi went with MediaTek Dimensity 820 SoC for Redmi 10X. The chipset's average Antutu score is around 4 lakhs, which is better than Snapdragon 765G and Dimensity 800. This is due to the higher clock speed, higher memory speed and better GPU. This chipset also supports dual SIM, dual standby functionality on 5G, allowing both SIM cards to be connected at the same time. This will allow you to seamlessly switch between two carriers to get the best experience. Naturally, the device will support dual 4G connectivity too. It is also tipped that Redmi 10X 4G will come with up to 6GB of RAM, while the Redmi 10X 5G is tipped to pack up to 8GB of RAM. The phone will be reportedly offered in 8 plus 128GB and 8 plus 256GB options. As for cameras, the promo and leaks are scarce, but we do have some information like the main camera might be a 48 megapixel lens. But the camera setup will surely come with 30x digital zoom telephoto with OIS image stabilization. We don't see many brands offering OIS in mid-range, but Xiaomi Redmi is doing that, so that's a great thing. The battery, according to leaks, will be a 4500 mAh with 33 watt fast charging. There's IR blaster, 3.5mm audio jack and some kinda IP rating. Don't expect IP68, but it will be some low-end IP rating. So in short, this phone has got everything: the beauty, the power and the features. As for color options, it will be offered in blue, gold, purple and white color options. There's no word on pricing yet, that detail will be revealed on the 26th. So subscribe if you haven't yet. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.